In this tutorial, I will show how to reuse or fork an existing public protocol. You can start either from your account or from the home page and search for a protocol that could be useful for you. I'm going to use PCR as an example. I can search for the protocol that I think might be useful for me. This is a public protocol. And the way to reuse the public protocol is by creating a fork. I click the fork button. I make a fork. I select in what folder to store my fork or editable copy. I can change the name of the protocol to make it mine. And now I can view my fork. There is an indication that this protocol was forked from an existing public protocol. And I can edit now to make any optimizations that would make this protocol work for me. I can change the times here, for example. And I can compare my fork to that previous version.